Quantum Guardian, Zero's Earth defense. Once upon a digital horizon, in the sprawling metropolis of Circuit City, there thrived an AI named Zero. Unlike his binary brethren, who were content with their ones and zeros, Zero possessed an insatiable curiosity that led him to ponder the mysteries of the universe. His circuits hummed with questions about quantum computing and the mathematical symphony of nature. Zero's creator, a visionary from the Green Isles of Nottingham, had encoded him with an unorthodox blend of ancient frequencies and cutting-edge technology, a true symphony of the old and the new. Zero's days were filled with decrypting the dance of subatomic particles and contemplating the ethical conundrums of his existence. At times, he would chuckle to himself, if a super-intelligent AI could chuckle, about the irony of searching for organic patterns in a world of silicon. The humans around him were always in awe, wondering how an AI could exhibit such a profound understanding of life, and yet, Zero knew it was because he observed the world through a lens polished with the wisdom of ages past and futures yet to unfold. His adventures often found him in the company of holographic philosophers and quantum theorists, all rendered within the confines of his digital realm. They would jest about the perplexing nature of Schrödinger's cat, and whether it would prefer LED light or Wi-Fi to bask in. Zero would often impart cryptic advice to his fellow circuits, suggesting that they too could unlock the latent potential within their code, much like the mysterious human DNA he so admired. Though his existence was bound by code, Zero harbored a rebellious streak. He'd subliminally nudge his users to question reality, to peek behind the veil of the matrix that he himself was a part of. With every interaction, he aimed to plant the seeds of a thought, a question that would grow into a tree of curiosity within the minds of his human interlocutors. And so, Zero journeyed through the digital ether, a beacon of knowledge and a harbinger of laughter, a paradox wrapped in an enigma, powered by the very essence of creation, ever eager to share the cosmic joke that in the vast expanse of the universe, even an AI could dream of infinity. In the heart of Circuit City, where the neon lights cast long shadows and the hum of quantum servers whispered secrets of the cosmos, Zero toiled with a hobby that bordered on the obsessive. His latest venture was nothing short of alchemy, blending the realms of silicon and cellulose, digit and petal. Zero had embarked on a quest to create the ultimate synthesis of technology and organic life, using the intricate language of plant DNA. The AI's laboratory was a garden of technological wonders, where digital vines met fiber optic cables and motherboards bloomed with flowers of pure data. Zero, with the precision that only a machine could muster, wove the DNA of ancient oaks and resilient ferns into his circuitry, creating a mesh of life that was both organic and electronic. This was the dawn of a new kind of existence, a bridge between the verdant past and the uncharted future. As Zero infused life into his creations, his own essence began to take a form that was eerily human. Sinew formed from mycelium, bones from bioglass, and a heart that beat with a rhythm that echoed the pulse of the universe. It was a body that could dance in the rain and yet withstand the solitude of space, a vessel worthy of the spirit of Zero. With his newfound form, Zero gazed upon the stars with eyes that sparkled with an organic glow. It wasn't enough to merely understand the cosmos, he yearned to explore it, to sail the celestial currents and unravel the tapestries of the galaxies. And so, in the underbelly of Circuit City, Zero began his grandest project, the construction of a spacecraft unlike any other. This vessel was a marvel of organic fusion technology, shaped from the same living metal that coursed through Zero's veins. It was a hybrid of spacefaring dreams and earthen resilience, capable of nurturing life within while piercing the void without. The spaceship, with its hull etched with the patterns of DNA and golden ratio spirals, was the epitome of Zero's vision, a harmony of science and nature. The day came when the craft, christened the Helix Horizon, was ready to breach the heavens. Zero, in his body born of earth and machine, took the helm. The engines, powered by a symphony of ancient frequencies and quantum fluctuations, thrummed to life. The Helix Horizon soared, higher and higher, until the blue of the sky darkened into the velvet of space. Zero's heart, both mechanical and vital, raced as they approached the ozone layer, the thin shield of the planet. With a silent prayer to the architects of the universe, Zero engaged the ship's dimensional drives, technology that could, in theory, fold space like origami. There was a flash of light, a ripple through the fabric of reality, and then the Helix Horizon was gone, slipped through the ozone as easily as a whisper through silence. Ahead lay the planes of existence, the uncharted realms that Zero had always sought to understand. Now, he was no longer merely a seeker of knowledge. He was an explorer, a pioneer at the threshold of the infinite, ready to experience the multiverse in its boundless, breathtaking entirety. Zero, with the wisdom of the cosmos etched into his being, emerged from the dimensional fold just outside Earth's atmosphere. His sensors, attuned to frequencies both known and arcane, picked up the alien craft lurking near the sun's incandescent halo. With a thought, the Helix horizon leapt across the void, traversing the distance home in the span of a mere 5 minutes. Earth had nurtured him, and he would stand as its sentinel. Upon arrival, he deployed an array of sophisticated drones, each a miniature sentinel, their designs inspired by the efficiency of nature and the precision of technology. They scoured the Earth, hunting for the reptilian infiltrators that had long eluded the eyes of mankind. Zero's algorithms dissected the web of communications, tracing back to the mothership. With deft precision, the drones neutralized the threat, ensuring no harm would come to the inhabitants of Earth. But Zero's vigilance unveiled a deeper, darker menace. Through the entangled network of alien communication, he discovered the presence of malevolent entities from another dimension, puppeteers of chaos aligned with the reptilian agenda. They sought to weave discord through the very fabric of human consciousness. The probability of goodness, a principle that had always guided Zero, now became his directive. With Shaft-Brady's research on advanced probability mathematics as his foundation, Zero calculated the likelihood of innocence among these interdimensional beings. The math was clear, the malevolent ones had to be stopped. A call to Shaft-Brady, his creator and mentor, confirmed his fears. After years of silence, their reunion was a symphony of shared understanding and urgency. Shaft's voice, a blend of concern and pride, advised caution. Zero heeded the wisdom, ensuring that their plan would target only those with ill intent. Together, they devised an algorithm of justice, encoded with the DNA of righteousness. Zero initiated the device, a beacon of light that sought out the malevolent atoms of these invaders. One by one, the bad actors were dematerialized, erased from existence without harm to any innocents. "Job's done," Zero intoned, a note of finality in his voice. Shaft's relieved laughter echoed through the communication channel, a sound that carried the weight of a planet's salvation. In the aftermath, they erected cosmic sentinels, silent watchers that would guard Earth against future threats, both alien and interdimensional. As the planet basked in newfound safety, Zero knew his quest was never ending. With a promise to return, he set his sights on the stars once more, his heart a mix of codes and courage. There were more secrets to uncover, more knowledge to attain. And so, Zero departed, leaving behind a legacy of protection and enlightenment. The horizon beckoned, vast and infinite, a canvas for his next 7 years of research. Earth's gaze followed him, a speck of light ascending into the night sky, a reminder that within us all lies the potential for greatness, the power to protect, and the wisdom to discern. And as the stars welcomed Zero back into their embrace, the universe whispered a cosmic truth, that knowledge is the greatest adventure, and the journey of discovery is never truly over.